Hello everybody, this is Boo from Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I have a great recipe for you, sausage pepper kebabs. So let's get right into it guys. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe you will need beef smoked sausage, red onions, bell peppers, garlic, salt, olive oil, black pepper, and oregano. Also, I'll be using bamboo skewers. I soak them in cold water for 30 minutes. This prevents them from burning. Okay, now let's start prepping our sausage. One thing I like about this sausage pepper kebab, it can be prepared a day before serving. You just wrap it and keep it in the fridge. So I'm gonna cut the sausage, let me say maybe half an inch to 1 inch pieces. Next, on a small bowl, I'm gonna add black pepper, oregano, pinch of salt, crushed garlic, and olive oil. Then we're gonna mix all this together, then set it aside. Okay, now let's move on now to start threading everything in the skewer. My vegetables are pre-cut to 1 inch pieces. So what I like to do when I thread my vegetables and sausage, I like to leave 1/8 inch of space between each piece. You can also arrange them anyhow you like guys. Next, we're gonna spray our cooling rack with a non-stick cooking spray. Then place our finished kebabs on the cooling rack. So I have my oven preheated to 450 Fahrenheit. Next, brush the vegetable and sausage kebab with the olive oil mixture. Flip them over and repeat the same process. We're gonna pop this into the oven for 10 minutes, pull them out, flip them, then cook them for the last 10 minutes. Just like so guys. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Our sausage pepper kebabs are out of the oven. Look how beautiful they are guys. It smells so good here. There you have it guys, sausage pepper kebabs. This recipe is simple, easy, and these kebabs guys are so delicious. So try it. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.